Welcome to the United Kingdom, a land of royal traditions, rolling hills, and remarkable influence. The United Kingdom, or UK, is located off the northwestern coast of mainland Europe. It includes 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The capital is London, a global hub for finance, culture, and history. The UK has a population of around 67 million. The official language is English and the currency is the British pound, GBP. The UK is a constitutional monarchy and parliamentary democracy. King Charles III is the current monarch, while the Prime Minister heads the government. The UK has long been a global power, with a rich imperial past. Today, its economy thrives on services, finance, technology, and creative industries. It's a member of the United Nations, NATO, and the Commonwealth, though it left the European Union in 2020. Geographically, the UK features diverse landscapes. You'll find highlands in Scotland, mountains in Wales, and gentle countryside in England. The coastline stretches over 12,000 kilometers. Famous natural landmarks include the Lake District, the Scottish Highlands, Snowdonia, and the Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland. The UK has a deep cultural legacy, from Shakespeare and the Beatles to Harry Potter and David Attenborough. British contributions to art, music, and media are legendary. The UK is predominantly Christian, with growing religious diversity. Iconic traditions include afternoon tea, red phone boxes, double-decker buses, and royal ceremonies. Fun fact: over 250 languages are spoken in London. British food may be simple, but it's comforting and full of character. Classics include fish and chips, full English breakfast, roast dinners, and Yorkshire pudding. Tea is more than a drink, it's a daily ritual. In recent years, the UK's food scene has embraced multicultural flavors from around the world. Sports are central to British identity. The UK is the birthplace of football, rugby, cricket, tennis, and golf. Wimbledon is one of the most famous tennis tournaments globally. Football clubs like Manchester United and Liverpool have worldwide fans. The Olympics and Commonwealth Games also hold special importance. Tourism in the UK blends history and modernity. From Buckingham Palace to Big Ben, Stonehenge to Edinburgh Castle, there's something for everyone. Whether you're drawn to the royals, the rugged coastlines, or literary legends, the UK is ready to charm you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Love our doodles? Enjoy 10% off our digital country bundles on Etsy with code DOODLE10.